My name is Alihat Iftirasham and today I'm going to make a clock with paper. Today I'm making a rainbow unicorn clock with a purple background. So first let me show you the parts of this clock. First, this base, we cutted this foam square so that we can fit the clock's machine. These are the hands of the clock. The second hand, the midnight hand and the hour hand. And this is the cover of the machine. This is the purple base. It has a hole in it so that the hands will be seen. So first, I made this unicorn. I also made a hole for the hands of the clock. This is the rainbow behind the unicorn. These are the clouds. This cloud will be here. This cloud will be here. This one will be here. And these ones will be here. These are the numbers that I will put on the clock. And I have cutted all these out from this paper. So what I have done to the back of the clock, I have glued a nice light blue cover so that it will look pretty on both sides. I used the supplies, glue, a craft knife. Don't use it and you will use it on supervision. Okay, because it's very sharp and pointy. You can hurt yourself. I have also used these tiny scissors and the normal scissors. I used the compass to trace the circle of the base and the back of the clock. And this is the battery for the machine. And these are two rulers. This is a school one and this is a large one. It is very long. It has 30 numbers. Now let's glue all these parts together. I will also write something on this bigger cloud to decorate it. So now I have glued the machine, the purple background, the rainbow and the clouds. So now I'm going to glue the unicorn and all the numbers. So now I have glued the unicorn. I have placed the hands and I have placed the numbers so that I can glue them. So I will glue them now. So now I have glued the numbers. I have written stay happy and I have also glued some stars. And I colored the rainbow and the unicorn by myself. For that I used sketch pens pencil colors, crayons and more. And I've also used star glitter to decorate the clock. And to write stay happy, I've used these Posca paint pens. What you do, you first shake them and then press their this right here. You press this and then you shake it. Then the paint will come out. And I've also used sketch pens to write stay happy. And I've also colored these numbers holes so that it won't be noticeable. Do you like it? Which part do you like it the most? The rainbow, the unicorn or the whole clock? So now let's put the battery. We'll put the battery here. And ta-da! I've placed the battery. Now it's working. And if you want to change the time, you can use this dial. If you move it, the hour hand and the minute hand will move. And if you are not being able to do that, you can do this. Look, the second hand is moving. Do you like this unicorn? Because I love this unicorn and I like the whole clock because of the stars, the clouds, the rainbow, the unicorn. The unicorn because it looks fancy. Doesn't it look fancy? So, do you want to see the final result? Yes? So, 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! This is the final result of my clock masterpiece. Do you like it? Is it awesome? Yes? Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.